In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Substack emails. You're probably familiar with how notifications can often clutter your inbox, making it difficult to sort out the messages you really need to see. If you've been receiving more emails from Substack than you care for, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the simple process of turning off those notifications. First things first, you want to head over to substack.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your usual credentials. It's crucial to make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Substack profiles or share your device with someone else. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. That's where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, quite straightforward. From the menu, you'll want to select Settings. Think of this as your command center for all things related to your Substack account. Now, after you're in the settings, you'll need to scroll down a bit until you find the notifications section. This is where the magic happens. It can be easy to overlook, so take your time as you scroll. Once you've located the notifications section, you'll see different categories like messaging. Click on one of these to explore further. This is an essential step as it tailors your notification preferences to your specific needs. Within each category, you'll find an email box that's likely checked if you're receiving notifications. These boxes allow Substack to contact you via email for each specific type of notification they offer. To finally turn off those pesky emails, simply uncheck the boxes for any emails you no longer wish to receive. Whether it's messages, message requests, or new chat threads, you'll have the freedom to decide what shows up in your inbox, and more importantly, what doesn't. Remember, changes might not take effect immediately, so give it a bit of time. Check your email over the next day or so to make sure everything's working as you intended. It's a small thing, toggling those settings, but it can significantly declutter your digital life and give you back more control over your communications. And there you have it. With a few clicks and adjustments, you can manage Substack emails, reducing the noise in your inbox and ensuring that only the most relevant information reaches you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to stick around for more tips on optimizing your digital experience.